true love, mga kapatid, cannot be defined because you cannot define love. You can only describe love. But listen, love is always an action. Yung tunay na nagmamahal, mga kapatid, ay pinapakitang siya'y nagmamahal. Kaya kita niyo po ang scripture, di po ba? Sabi ng Bible, for God so loved the world, period? No. That He gave His Son. Yung pagmamahal niya, dinefine niya, not by just feelings or by intentions. Ano po yun? Dinefine niya yung pagmamahal by action. Lagi tayong may toyo, pero yet, because of His great love for us, He sent His own Son for you and for me to die on the cross. Ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking sacrifice that the God of the heavens and the earth came as a human person, as a human being, just to die for you and for me, so that He who without sin will become sin for